Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. If you've been following along with me, then you've probably heard me mention a few times that I suffer with a condition called GERD. Simply put, I have some digestive issues. So this will be the start of a series which is centered around a weekly meal guide that I've put together for people who suffer with GERD. If you're interested, I will add a link to the description box and it's free. So in today's video, I'll be sharing one of the breakfast items and a snack from off that meal plan. Today I made some breakfast tortillas. These are really good and so simple to make, and I have a side of sweet potatoes with them. Then for a snack, I have some vanilla yogurt with some cinnamon apples and granola with maple syrup. And then my beverage for today is going to be some green tea. So let me start with that. I had to run some errands today. I also did fasting blood work, so I am really hungry and I'm ready to eat my breakfast. You can check the description for a detailed list of instructions, but this is really simple to make. I like to cook my corn tortillas, so I add a little bit of olive oil to the pan and I cook them for a few minutes on each side and I season them with some salt and pepper. I add a little bit of cheddar cheese and set them to the side. And in that same pan, I'll add in some chopped spinach and roasted red bell peppers. I let those cook down for just a few seconds and then I add in some egg whites, which I seasoned with some simple seasonings. Sometimes I scramble them or I'll make an omelet. Once the eggs are done, I place them in the corn tortillas. And then for my side, I'm having some roasted sweet potatoes. These are so versatile. If you're interested, I will add a link to how I make these as well. This meal is perfect, it's easy for me to digest, and I don't experience any flare-ups after eating it. So this is one of the snacks that I have listed on that meal plan. It is some vanilla yogurt with cinnamon apples, maple syrup, and some granola. This is so easy to make and it's really, really good. If you're interested, I will add a link to the video. Well, all right, you guys, that is it for today's video. If you like what you saw, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're looking for some new things to add to your menu, click the link in the description for my weekly meal plan. Let's connect in the comments. Do you suffer with GERD? If so, what are some of your go-to meals? And if you have a recipe that you'd like for me to try or a product that you'd like reviewed, go ahead and email me at janaiskitchen@gmail.com. As always, thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.